Guys, I made a video on how to prepare ginger to cure cough and catarrh. But there is something I discovered about it. That was my first time of using it personally. Yes, I've been preparing it for people to use, but using it for myself, that was the first time. And that was the reason I've not made a video concerning it till I used it by myself, and I see how effective it works. So there's something I discovered. Yes, it works perfectly. It works like magic. If you notice that throughout the weekend, Monday, Tuesday, I wasn't myself at all. Cough and catarrh was really disturbing me. My voice was not clear. My voice was as if it's coarse. So I was just managing myself. But the one thing there is that I must make videos. So that's what I was managing myself. If you notice very well on my videos during the weekend and the few days ago, you discover I was coughing. Yeah, though I didn't really show it much. Whenever I'm making videos, I don't really show it much. Yeah, but I know what I was going through. Then that one's on Tuesday because I did not have ginger at home with me. So I have to wait till I get ginger. Then and I prepared it and it was so effective. But one thing I want to say about it is that the ginger is high in fiber. It contains fiber. So whenever you are taking it, make sure there is food at home. There is food by the side. Because of my experience. So it may not happen to another person like that, but for me, my own experience, after eating it, we all know that any food that contains fiber, that food helps food to digest easily. So after I finished taking the ginger stuff, guys, hunger. I was so hungry. I was so hungry. So that I have to rush and look for food to eat. So whenever you want to try it, or you want to do it for somebody, please make sure there is always food available because it will make you feel hungry, and yes, it causes food to digest fast. And those that want to burn fat, I think it's very good. It's good. As for those that want to burn fat, me, I don't even have fat, so there is no one to burn. So that's it. That's my own experience. Though I know that it works very well. Ginger is very effective when it comes to um, cough and catarrh. But I've not really tried it for myself. Yes, I do prepare it for people. I even recommend it for people, but I've not tried it myself. So that was my first time of trying it, and it was so good. It was so good. Adults can take it, children can as well take it. Because why I recommend that second method. If you watch the video, you see there are two methods. Why I recommend the second method is because children can as well take it. Children can take it because not all the children can bear the hotness of ginger when it is raw. But when it's cooked, the hotness reduces. Not that it's not hot, not that it's hot. Yeah, it's hot, but it's not as when it is raw. And it's very effective. So it's very good. The children can take it, adults can take it as well. Then if you're having pains, maybe headache or pains in any part of your body, just try drink it when it's hot. Not that it will burn your mouth. No. I mean when it's At least allow it to cool a bit, then before taking it, but don't let it get cold. Take it when it's still a little bit hot. Take it, and it works like magic. No more cough, no more catarrh. I am free. I am free now. No cough, no catarrh. I am free. Oh my God, guys, try it. Try it. It's very good. What I'm saying here is out of experience. Yes, I'm saying it out of experience because I've experienced it. So that's it. So try, make sure there is food available before taking it because you will feel hungry. You know what I mean? So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share it to your friends, to your family. Share it to everyone. Let everyone see it. Like and also comment. I love you. Don't forget that Cheesy love you. Bye bye.